Hi guys, my name is Rachel Neideck and I am from Minnesota. Three assets that I think that I will bring to this general social work class and to my classmates here are one, I am very excited to learn. I like to learn new things, especially since I don't have social work experience. So I'm always willing to learn and I work really hard. So I'm going to try my best to do well in school with these readings and do well in the discussions. So then hopefully classmates can learn from me. But then second, I am very interested in listening to people's stories and just hearing about their lives and their experiences. And so I can do that with my classmates. I love learning about you all and what you've gone through and your journey into the social work career and what you've learned worked well and what you've been struggling with in your social work, what's been difficult. And since I don't have that social work or psychology career, I'm a little nervous about going into it. So I'm always loving hearing your experiences and the clients you deal with and those stories, even if not, they're nightmare stories. And then the last one is just the ability to challenge others to grow. I really like to grow personally and grow in knowledge and character, but then to challenge individuals to also grow in how they see things and what they think and how they respond or do things or I don't know, maybe their practice or that kind of stuff. So I am really excited to learn with you guys, learn alongside you guys. Hopefully you challenge me as well, which I'm sure you will. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to this class. Bye, guys.